like my tears, falling down like rain on the ground every time you say goodbye. Feeling knocking at my door today. There's a shadow hanging round my garden gate. I read between the lines of words you can't disguise. Love has gone away and put these tears in my eyes. There's a restless feeling knocking at my door today. There's a shadow hanging round my garden gate.
Two, three, five. One of these days when my mind's made up and I'm sick and tired of hanging around, I'll be on my way in a cloud of dust, road to another town. Once upon a time I loved this house, now I'm thinking about burning it down, and I'll be long gone when the fire burns out on the way to another town. See another city in another light, when the past behind me, my future bright. One of these days when I had enough, buddy, you ain't gonna see me around. Just as soon as I get my courage up, gonna take it to another town. Spread it around. There's a great big world out there where I go on the road to another town. See another city in another life, with my past behind me and future bright. Whoa, one of these days when my mind's made up and I'm sick and tired of hanging around, I'll be down that road in a cloud of dust on my way to another town.
I'm giving up slowly. I'm blending in so you won't even know me. Apart from this whole world that shares my fate. This one last bullet you mentioned is my one last shot at redemption. Cause I know to live you must give your life away. Cause I've been housing all this doubt and insecurity, and I've been locked inside that house. All the while you hold the key, and I've been dying to get out. That might be the death of me, and even though there's no way of knowing where to go, I promise I'm going, because I gotta get out of here. I'm stuck inside this rut that I fell into by mistake. I gotta get out of here, and I'm begging you, I'm begging you, I'm begging you to be my escape. Giving up, I'm doing this alone now, 'cause I failed and I'm ready to be shown out. You've told me the way and I'm trying to get there. And this life sentence that I'm serving, I admit that I'm every bit deserving. But the beauty of grace is that it makes life not fair. 'Cause I've been housing all this doubt and insecurity, and I've been locked inside that house. All the while you hold the key, and I've been dying to get out. That might be the death of me, and even though there's no way of knowing where to go, I promise I'm going, because I gotta get out of here. I'm afraid that this complacency is something I can't shake. I gotta get out of here. And I'm begging you, I'm begging you, I'm begging you to be my escape. I am a hostage to my own humanity, self-detained and forced to live in this mess I've made. And all I'm asking is for you to do what you can with me, but I can't ask you to give what you already gave. 'Cause I've been housing all this doubt and insecurity, and I've been locked inside that house. All the while you hold the key, and I've been dying to get out. That might be the death of me, and even though there's no way of knowing where to go, I promise I'm going, because I gotta get out of here. I'm stuck inside this rut that I fell into by mistake. I gotta get out of here. And I'm begging you, I'm begging you, I'm begging you to be my escape. I fought you for so long, I should've let you win. Oh, how we regret those things we do. And all I was trying to do is save my own skin. Oh, but so are you. So are you.
Desperate for changing, starving for truth, closer to where I started, chasing after you. I'm falling even more in love with you, letting go of all I've held on to. I'm standing here until you make me move. I'm hanging by a moment here with you. Take your invitation, you take out of me now. We're falling even more in love with you, letting go of all I've held on to. I'm standing here until you make me move. I'm hanging by a moment here with you. I'm living for the only thing I know. I'm running and not quite sure where to go. I don't know what I'm diving into, just hanging by a moment here with you. There's nothing else to lose, there's nothing else to find. There's nothing in the world that can change my mind. There was nothing else. There was nothing else. There was nothing else. Desperate for change. falling even more in love with you. Letting go of all I've held on to. I'm standing here until you make me move. I'm making back a moment here with you. Living for the only thing I know. Running and not quite sure where to go. And I don't know what I'm diving into. Just taking by a moment here with you. Just taking by a moment. Hanging by a moment. Hanging by a moment. Hanging by a moment here with you.
I only know what I believe. The rest seems so absurd to me. I close my eyes so I can't see, but the picture just gets clearer every day. I read somewhere to learn is to remember, and I've learned we all forgot. There was peace in her before, but then was yesterday. But I can see the beauty that is here for me. Life is always a chance to live and walk free. Now from a legal kill. I know your side so very well. It makes no sense that I can tell. The smell of hell is what I smell, and you hand it out with handshakes every day. I have trouble with the persons, with the signs, but I feel the need to make my own. Yes, there's two ways to be, and truth does not depend on me. But I can feel the fight for life is always real. I can't believe it's no big deal. It's a legal kill. I can feel the fire.